Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning, full-width blocks in WordPress using the free Gutenberg Editor, even if you're brand new to building pages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give your content that professional edge-to-edge look, perfect for modern websites, all without upgrading or installing extra plugins. Let's jump right in. If you're editing a WordPress page or post, your first step is to add the block you want to make full width. This could be a new block, like a cover, image, or gallery, or an existing block you've already set up. To add a new one, just click the plus icon you'll find at the top or within your content area. Think of blocks like little Lego bricks. They each serve a specific purpose, and you can mix and match as you build up your page. Once you've got your block, it's time to find the alignment settings. With the block selected, glance at the toolbar that pops up nearby, either floating above or just below the block itself. Look for the alignment icon. It usually resembles stacked horizontal lines. This icon unlocks visual layout options for your blocks, letting you control how much space they use on your page. Now click that alignment icon. Among the choices you'll see like left, center, or wide width, select full width. As soon as you do, your block will stretch all the way across your content area. Don't worry if this takes a moment to display, especially if your theme's preview is loading. You'll see the change kick in quickly. So why does this matter? Full width blocks help your content stand out. For example, a full-width image can create an immersive hero section, while a gallery that spans the screen feels modern and open, a great way to capture your audience's attention. While most blocks now support full width, there are a few special ones designed for these bold layouts. The cover block is a favorite. It's perfect for adding a large background image with overlaid text, like a homepage banner or section divider. When using cover blocks, full width is available by default, so you can highlight announcements or calls to action with style. Next, consider the columns block. If you want to show text next to images or share multiple services side by side, columns works wonders. Each section within your columns can hold other blocks, and once you set columns to full width, your layout looks intentional and polished across the whole screen. Finally, the group block lets you bundle several blocks together, perhaps a heading, some text, and a button, and then apply the full width setting to the whole group. This is fantastic for making a section pop, like a testimonial row or a featured offering, without needing advanced coding or design skills. One tip: your theme needs to support full-width blocks for this to work. Most modern WordPress themes handle this smoothly, but if you're not seeing the option, double-check your theme's documentation or try a quick preview with one of WordPress's default themes. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can transform your WordPress site using free Gutenberg tools, no technical headaches or plugin clutter required. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions or tips in the comments below, and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy building.